The Good I Survived the Great Blizzard of '78 Indiana outline t-shirt serves as more than just a piece of apparel. It is a wearable badge of honor for those who endured one of the most legendary weather events in Hoosier history. This custom-designed tee captures the spirit of resilience that defined Indiana during the late '70s, featuring a crisp outline of the state that anchors the nostalgic sentiment. Crafted for those who remember the towering snowdrifts and the stillness of a state frozen in time. The shirt offers a perfect blend of vintage storytelling and modern style. We prioritize quality to ensure that your memories last as long as the shirt itself. Which is why every piece is made from premium 100% cotton. This choice of fabric ensures a soft, breathable feel against the skin, making it ideal for year-round wear. Whether you are layering up for a cold winter day or enjoying a mild Indiana spring, Good I Survived the Great Blizzard of '78 Indiana outline t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Stay cozy and stylish with our Good I Survived the Great Blizzard of '78 Indiana sweatshirt. Brave the chill in style. Celebrate the '78 blizzard with our Indiana tank top. Celebrate winter resilience with our Good I Survived the Great Blizzard of '78 tee. Stay warm and stylish with our Good I Survived the Great Blizzard of '78 Indiana hoodie. Rock the nostalgia with our '78 Blizzard Indiana tee, a tribute to winter survival and style. Good I Survived the Great Blizzard of '78 Indiana outline t-shirt is a product of domestic excellence, proudly made in the United States to support local craftsmanship and maintain high manufacturing standards. By keeping production close to home, we guarantee a durable construction that withstands the test of time and repeated washes without losing its shape or the integrity of the print. The minimalist yet bold Indiana outline design makes it a versatile addition to any wardrobe, appealing to both history buffs and those who appreciate clean, regional aesthetics. Whether you're buying it for yourself as a memento of survival or gifting it to a family member who lived through the whiteout, this shirt stands as a testament to Midwestern strength. Experience the comfort of high-grade American cotton and celebrate a unique moment in Indiana's heritage with a garment built to endure, just like the people who survived the storm. Other product